Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with one of our wonderful used boats we just took in. This is a 2017 Haynie bay boat, skinny water special. It's got a Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor on board. Fresh batteries are already on the boat. It's got an upgraded wet sound system. As you come back, you realize that you've got a really big casting deck up here, perfect for Galveston Bay fishing, equipped with an Arctic cooler on board. There's some rod holders on the side of the console. It's an open design, so you have plenty of casting ability. As we make our way back, you look at the helm. There's some extra wet sound speakers up there, digital throttle controls. You've got your radio, a VHF on there, a Lowrance 7-inch screen. The boat's loaded. It's got some fresh interstate batteries. It's in great shape. Double seats for the captains. There's 2 live wells back here, as well as it's got an oxygen system on it to keep your bait in good, healthy shape. If you look at the back of the boat, we've got a jack plate on the Mercury, 350 horsepower outboard. There's a Powerpole already on board. And the boat's also sitting on a really nice custom aluminum trailer with some mag wheels. This is a perfect bay fishing special, great for Galveston Bay. And really excited to show it to you here at MarineMax of Houston. Come see us today.